Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by setting up minimal tools and committing to basic geometry, a tall oval for the body and a smaller circle for the head. Once done, connect them with a short neck and lightly sketch a center guideline plus a horizontal eye line. This controls symmetry and placement. You want confident, soft strokes so you can refine later. Make sure to keep proportions slightly squat so the penguin reads cute and stable. Those initial shapes determine the rest of the drawing. Now refine the silhouette and build recognizable features. Smooth the head-to-body junction and erase construction clutter. Then add flippers as rounded triangles angled slightly back to suggest posture, and draw short webbed feet below the oval base for balance. Once you place the eyes on the guideline and a small beak centered between them, step back and check scale. The belly patch should be an oval that contrasts with outer edges. These middle steps define character, so make measured adjustments as you go. Finish by inking your confident outlines and waiting for the ink to fully dry before erasing remaining pencil lines. This keeps edges clean. Next, fill the dark outer areas while leaving the belly and face lighter, and apply soft shading or a simple gradient to suggest volume. Add bright highlights in the eyes and a subtle shadow beneath the feet to ground the figure. If proportions look off after inking, lightly redraw a new outline around the best parts and repeat inking to correct mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.